Guys, we have the new turntable from Project Audio Systems. This is a true balanced one, as the paper says here, true balance, you see the logo, it's a new one. So this is the X2 B, and we're gonna do the unboxing here. It's 12 kilos. DC says here, X2 B walnut, it's the finish. So we're trying to unbox the new turntable from Project, which is from the new series, the X series that has the X8, X2B and X1B. All of them are true balanced. They have true balanced output. So we have the box in the box pieces, configuration here, we have the tapes. Project is very well taking very well care of the products. They are manufactured them in Europe. So let's start the unpacking. Inside we see a pair of gloves, RCA cable, belt, protractor, cartridge, protractor, another belt, one probably for 45, 33 speed and one for 78, and the adapter for singles, mat, dust cover, big turntable, you see, it's a big box here, and now it's about time to remove the turntable. And then we have the platter underneath. You see, it's heavy, it's thick. The platter is this one. Nice. So finally inside the box we have discovered all this. A very nice cable, RCA to RCA. If you need balance you have to buy a separate one. Mat, pair of gloves, single adapter with the Allen key, 2-point cartridge alignment protractor, 2 belts, anti-skating, Allen key and the dust cover. Here is a turntable. I have put one glove because I like with the other hand to control my camera. So this is a turntable and we uncover it. X2B. We see the tone arm, we see the cartridge, which is the orthophone quintet, red moving coil. In order to have balanced feature on the turntable, you need to have a moving coil magnet. Moving magnets are not good for balanced because some of them they are not balanced, and we don't know which ones are these. So let's have a close look. We see the sub-platter here, the motor, aluminum, the suspension of the motor, the MDF is very thick. We can remove this one if we don't like it and to upgrade it with aluminum one, but it's fine as is. This is the thickness of the turntable. The finish, as we said, is walnut, comes in different other colors as well. Finishes, I mean, like black and white. And we see the carbon fiber tone arm, regular stuff from Project. On the back here we can see the balance output, the grounding and the single edit output. So we have two outputs to drive our phone stage, one balanced one and one single edit one. In order to use the balanced one we need such kind of a cable. In order to use the balanced one, we need this kind of cable here, which is like an accessory. You can buy it separately, it's not in the box, but you have RCA in the box, and then you go like this, and then from the other end, you go to your balanced phono stage. So from here we can see the underneath system of the turntable. We can see the output part, the cables. This is the on-off button is underneath the axis here. 3 feet for stabilization and absorption of the vibrations. You can remove this with this aluminum, very nice construction. And here we put our power supply, 15 volts. On the top we have the speed box button, let's say, the selector of 33 and 45, 78 RPMs. Also we have the power supply, which is this one. Pro-Ject provides very nice setup guide with pictures to follow to set it up. You see step by step here what to do, how to adjust. Pro-Ject says the large pulley here, it's for 78 RPMs and using this rounded belt. And this small pulley here, and this flat belt, it's for 33, 45 RPMs. Like this, very easy. We can see the Pro-Ject logo there. Next step is to install the platter, and it looks very good as well. The tone arm is 9 inches effective length, and the platter is 2 kilos heavy acrylic. Next step is to put the counterweight. We release the tone arm. So we balance the 2.3 grams, we balance the... there is a magnet here. So we balance the tone arm, 2.3 here. This is the tone arm. Close up the cartridge, moving coil for balance. You see here when we put the tone arm, there is a magnet that holds the tone arm secure into the place. You see, nice function. Adjusting, this is easy. We take this accessory that is it comes in the box. We screw it and we put it here. Easy. Everything is ready now. Then we can use a spirit level by turning the feet, which are adjustable. Everything looks good so far. We have plugged the power. The on-off button is underneath here. You see here flashing the blue LED for stabilizing the speed. We take the arm, regular. This is the X2 B with a quinted red installed. So everything is cool, guys. This turntable looks, to my eyes and for the way that is manufactured, is very well treated, very well engineered. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.